was so good.
This was me at 6 a.m. and we were waiting for the bus, which took forever to come. And then obviously the Sea to Sky Highway's views are gorgeous as always. And we reached Whistler and we're about to have a really fun trip. So we roamed around really cute stores like this gem store and a very cute hat store. So really cute stores. And then we got hot chocolate from Pure Bread. And then we took the gondola to go up snow tubing, but there was such a long wait list, so we had to come back down, and I did a little happy dance, obviously. Then we saw this really cute grocery store. Yeah, like I wish all grocery stores looked like this.
Oh, wouldn't it be such
Meet Emma and meet Georgia. Okay, we're in the gondola and it's gonna be so fun and this is so awkward.
You're doing great, you're natural.
Okay.
Jacuzzi, actually, that's so cool. But like, people are looking at you. Like, it's almost like you need a privacy screen.
Yeah, exactly. Then it would be nice. But...
Yeah. It's like Ye Giovanni e Divani.
Oh, cool.
Yeah. That's exactly what this feels like.
What's the scene? What happened?
So, we're walking. So we're going snow tubing. And I am very excited and this is so funny. Yay! Okay, so we have to take this tube and take them up that hill. I'll show you wait. You see what everyone else is doing? Literally that. And then we'll come down. This. This is a whole workout. This was the second time we went tubing and it was really scary. And then the third time was less scary.
Yes, sir.
So we'll see. I made sure to capture the third time because it was unbelievable, like so surreal. I'd love to be spin a little.
Spin?
Yeah.
Okay, no problem.
Okay.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah, there we go. Whoa! How was the snow tubing?
Good.
It was so good. It was so much fun.
You know,
It was great. I love it.
Yay.
Little Einsteins, climb aboard, get ready to explore. There's so much to find. Little Einsteins, yeah, I didn't know that song. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Yeah.
We checked out this amazing outdoor party and that was basically the end of our little day trip. And if you liked this, please subscribe and stay tuned for more. Bye. I'll see you next time.